Life is slipping through your fingers every second. You just don't feel it until something breaks. Until the doctor says the word you feared. Until the chair at the dinner table stays empty. Until you scroll back through old photos and realize that version of your life is gone. We think we have time. We don't. We only have this right here. And most people won't realize that until it's too late. So before you blink and a decade passes, let's talk. What will you wish you paid more attention to? That cup of tea your partner made without asking? The friend who kept texting even when you didn't reply? The way your child said, "What's this?" for the fifth time just to feel seen? We wait for life's big moments while the real ones quietly slip by. You won't remember most of your deadlines, but you will remember that one dinner where you laughed so hard you cried. You'll remember the way someone made you feel safe, seen, and real. So don't let the noise steal the meaning. Start living like you know how fragile this is. And please forgive. I know they hurt you. I know you didn't deserve it. But that bitterness, it's eating your joy, not theirs. You can let go without letting them off the hook. Forgiveness isn't weakness, it's freedom for you. And your body, please stop hating it. It's walked you through every hard day, held every person you loved. It may not look like the magazines, but it's your home. Treat it with care, not criticism. Stretch, sleep, eat well. Not because of how you want to look, but because of how you want to live. Here's the truth: you don't need a better version of yourself. You just need to remember who you were before life told you to shrink. You were enough before the world convinced you otherwise. So love boldly. Say sorry quickly. Say I love you without fear. Laugh loudly. Cry deeply. Be fully here, not half absent in your own life. Because one day this will be the past. And all that will matter is, did you really live it? Thank you for watching.